everybody, welcome back to the channel. And I know it's dark, you can't see me because it's like 3:50 in the morning, but we are headed to Mustang Week. First stop coming up shortly, right outside of Nashville. Gonna pick up, whoa, whatever that was. Gonna meet up with Chris and his GT500. So right there is Ken. So let's go. Alright guys, so we're at the first meeting spot looking for Chris and his 500. And of course there is the man himself, the Speed Addict 731. I think between us we might have a total of 4 hours of sleep.
Maybe.
If
Dude,
that.
I try to get some sleep, man, and it's like my body is like,
Yeah.
You don't go to sleep this early.
There is no sleep happening. So if we've got bags under our eyes, it's because we got no sleep and we're about to drive 12 hours. But where is Chris?
Dude, he called me and he says that twice daily, and I said, well, I want to get gas at Shell. Well, the Shell is twice daily, so I don't know where he went.
Well, there's one on the other side of the interstate, but I don't know. But anyway, we're looking for Chris.
We might want to call him and let him know we're at this one.
We might want to do that.
Because this is Shell, right?
This is.
Most Shell,
All right, let's get some gas. Chris has shown up in the 500. So not only am I in the 2-valve, but I have to keep up with not one, but 2 supercharged cars.
Well, I'm not going to get on it, so you're good.
Yeah, you guys need to really take it easy on me.
No, I ain't no sense in wasting gas.
Yeah, because the little 2-valve is not going to hold up too well against that and that. But anyway, we got to get on the road. We got to get to Myrtle Beach, so let's ride. Alright guys, so little lunch stop. We're somewhere on the east side of Atlanta. Ken is slow as usual. Hi Ken. I don't know what you guys have been doing.
Hey.
But
Who's doing this?
I've been staying here for like 10 minutes.
Hold on.
Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, no, I'm not even gonna do it. So, yeah, east side of Atlanta. I think we're over halfway there.
Probably.
Yeah, we gotta be. Ken can't make up his mind whether he wants to turn his car off or not. So, in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and take a leak and let Ken figure it out. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to South Carolina. Yes, it's a little windy. Chris, you are officially the one that eats the most gas, correct?
Yes, I gotta feed the beast.
How close were you to? How close were you to being empty?
I think 29 miles.
Ooh, yeah, that was close. Oh God, there's the Shelby. Yes, the Shelby.
Yeah.
All right, so
time to stick the credit card in again.
yeah, we need to get some 93 octane rolling. all day. He's rocking that tan. But here is the crib. We made it, and we're storing Ken's wheels while we're here. But Scott, we gotta see the car, dude. I hadn't seen it in a year. Well, almost a year. Almost a year. Made a few minor tweaks and upgrades.
Couple little things, yeah.
Yeah, you'll trust me. You'll see more of this in the week. But yeah, okay, yeah. I totally dig the new power steering. Cleaned it up quite a bit. But yeah, you'll see more of this, so I'm not going to spoil that right now. And we got to get back here real quick. Who is it? Who is it? Is it the man himself? Is it the man himself? Washing Grandpa.
Trying to get all the road grime and the bugs and the Darlington dust off of it.
Yep. And you've got the retro mustache going.
Still going strong.
So,
retro meet on Wednesday.
killing
7
it.
PM,
Yep.
Bang Blow. Be there.
Be there. If you're not there, then you missed the absolute best after party there is. So there you go. But
I know Scott out here brought his trailer, but real men drive their cars.
that's
to
right.
Mustang Week.
That's right.
Oh.
That just happened.
I will say that car is too OCD, and I'm glad it was a
Definitely.
jaw dropping.
But you see, we got to get the low shot of Grandpa. Just chilling.
Driver, it's okay.
She's a driver. She's a driver. All right, guys. So we're gonna try to get settled in here and get this week kicked off. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So we're gonna wrap this vlog up. Had to run to the store, get some food, and try to get settled in and get things kind of rocking and rolling for Mustang Week. But make sure you stay tuned to the channel all week, because I'm gonna have coverage every single day, brand new video for you, so you can kind of follow along Mustang Week. I promise you're not gonna want to miss it. Huge things in store. It's gonna be epic. So in the meantime, no vlogging. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and see you tomorrow. Later, guys.